أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. صدق الله العظيم.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our video on Surah Ikhlas with Urdu and English translation. Surah Ikhlas is one of the most important surahs in the Holy Quran. It is the 112th surah of the Quran and contains only 4 short verses. The surah starts with the declaration of Allah's oneness, Qul huwa Allahu ahad, which means say, He is Allah, the One. The following verse defines Allah as the eternal, absolute, and self-sufficient being, Allahu Samad, which means Allah is the self-sufficient master, whom all creatures need. The third verse discusses Allah being the father of none and none is his offspring, Lam Yalad wa Lam Yulad, which means he neither begets nor is born. And finally, the fourth verse emphasizes Allah's uniqueness and oneness, wa lam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad, which means and there is none comparable unto him. This surah serves as a reminder that Allah is one and He alone is worthy of our worship. Now, let us recite the Surah Ikhlas with Urdu and English translation. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and share it with others.